Guys, this might sound dramatic, but your floss could be leaving behind a lot more than just a clean smile, like microscopic plastic particles that wreak havoc on your body. Yeah, we need to talk. Here's the thing. Most floss is made with plastic, either straight up PFTE, which is the stuff that literally causes cancer, or nylon/polyester, which is the more common material found in floss. Some brands even market themselves as a healthier option, using brown, sustainable-looking packaging, and even claiming things like using bamboo in their floss. But ultimately, they still end up using plastic polymers in their floss. The problem with all of this is that when you're flossing, especially between tight spaces, you end up shredding your floss and leaving behind little particles called microplastics, which I'm sure you've heard of already. And these microplastics end up getting into your body, and they don't just pass through your system. They can actually cause a lot of issues like disrupting the cardiovascular system, hormonal, reproductive systems. They can even pass the blood-brain barrier and contribute to neurological issues like dementia. Plus, they can cause systemic issues like gut problems, immune system dysfunction, and inflammation, which opens the doors to a whole slew of other issues that are associated with inflammation, like autoimmune diseases. I mean, I'm literally freaking out just listing off all these things. And to think I've been preaching floss all these years. And guys, if you don't care about your health, which I can't possibly imagine that you wouldn't care about at least one of the things I just mentioned, if you truly don't care about any of those things, consider the environmental impact. I mean, the string floss is too small to recycle, so it ends up just being in landfills and oceans, even affecting marine life. So the question is, do we ditch the floss? What do we do? Well, let's get one thing straight right away, loud and clear. I don't recommend to stop flossing altogether. Not cleaning between your teeth will also cause issues like cavities and periodontal disease, which, by the way, periodontal disease is also linked to things like heart disease and Alzheimer's. So don't stop flossing, please, but do stop using traditional floss. Instead, let me introduce you to silk floss. It's natural, biodegradable, and your body can actually break it down. Since it's not made of polyester, it doesn't shed microplastics into your body, and it won't end up swirling around in a whale's stomach. There are actually a few different brands of silk floss, and although I've tried several, I kind of landed on Dr. Jens, and I really like it. Unlike some of the other brands that I've tried, Dr. Jens has a little bit more texture to it. Plus, it's infused with hydroxyapatite, which actually attracts the plaque, offering a better clean. Seriously, guys, once I started using this floss, I can't go back to anything else, even though it's a little bit on the pricier side compared to other floss. But as I always say, you either pay now or you pay later in a much bigger way. So I'd rather shell out a few extra bucks on a good flossing alternative that won't mess with my health than have to deal with who knows what kind of health issues in the future by using regular, traditional, cheap nylon floss or no floss at all. Plus, I've secured a pretty hefty discount for you guys. So if this is your first time trying Dr. Jens, use the code 20OFF to get 20% off your first purchase. So don't put off switching to a safer floss. Do it today. I'll have links to Dr. Jens below. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of your teeth.